Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to mine Baby Doge. Baby Doge is a newly launched Telegram mining app that allows you to tap to earn points that will be converted to digital currency at launch. So guys, if you find our video tutorials useful and helpful, do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, the Wiki Cart. Wiki Cart is built on the Binance Smart Chain Network. I'll be dropping the contract address in the description below this video. So guys, let's dive into the video. To get started on Baby Doge, you'll be needing a referral link. I'll be getting one from a friend. You click on the link, it redirects you to Telegram. You click on start. So this is the beautiful interface of the Baby Doge. So all you have to do is tap at this icon in the middle to collect the points that has been accrued. So you can navigate your way around this app by utilizing these icons below. The N icon allows you to increase your profits per hour by buying this card and increasing your PPH. So you have the friend icon. This allows you to generate your unique referral link to send to friends to join you in mining Baby Doge, and you'll be earning additional reward. And this is the task icon. This allows you to carry out and perform some social tasks, and you'll be getting additional rewards in return. So guys, this is all for Baby Doge. Just keep tapping. It promises to be a great opportunity. So guys, this is all for this video. If you have any questions, you can drop it right at the comment section, and a team member will be providing you with the answers. If you are here to join our channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the subscribe button to join this growing community. Remember, turn on your post notification so you get notified each time a new video drops. And if you find this video useful, do well to give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you in our next video.